Welcome to Next Gen Tech Academy.
Alright, so in this training, I'll be showing you how you can get multiple access to VEO3, right? It's site from the one you have gotten access in our previous video using Gemini Pro version, right? Now, here is the back end where we are using different let me put it as just flying fence to access Google VEO3, right? Okay, so they are basic ways that basically different methods of accessing the same thing to generate multiple videos without restriction, right? Without restriction, just like Gemini. Gemini is giving you 3 videos per day, but with this you can have access to unlimited video per day based on how you generate your videos, right? Now you can see the one you're seeing on your screen right now. I created it. So the second site here is what? Is labs.google/fx/tools/flow. Okay, let me just take you to this. Okay, let me take you to, let me make it easier here for you. Just click on open a new tab. Let me open a new tab. Then click on that Google Lab. Type Google Lab. Google Lab. Right? Google Labs. Good. Labs.google/fx, right? This is where you are coming. And you click on it. It's going to bring you here, right? What you need here is you don't need to boost, you don't need this. All you need is flow. What I call it flow. So take notes. Just click on launch flow. After clicking on launch flow, it's going to open. Good. It's loading right now. And once it's loading, for you, it might ask you to log in, to sign in using your Gmail, that you have accessed. I see that I've already signed in. That's why it's bringing out this. So after bringing you here, you're going to click on create new project. Create new project, right? So we're going to search. And so those are my previous projects. Then you come and paste your prompt right here. I think that I have a prompt that I've copied. Just let me paste that prompt right here. And voila, it's going to start loading. Now, here, you need to set it. I'm going to show you how to set it. Look at this place where you are seeing this settings. Click on it. Now, the video we are creating now is VEO2. Now, this video is not going to have a complete sound. The sound using VEO2 is going to be fast, but it's not going to have sound, right? If you going to have the sound, it's going to be like a music background, and that's all. You're not going to talk. So look at the output per prompt. I have 1. I have 2. So I like just putting it in 2. So per this thing, they are giving you 400 credits to access Google Pro, Google View, right? 400 credits. So you have to know how to use them strategically, right? So on every generation, this one is going to cost you 10 credits, right? But if I click on this one, is also 10 credits. If I click on this also, this is the one I use to maintain my credits so I do not finish on time. Should you understand? So that's VEO3 fast. That's text to video. Then that's going to cost you 20 credits, right? Per generation, right? But if you want to do you now come to VEO3 quality. It's going to give you a quality video. But look how much it's going to cost you, credits. It's going to cost you 100 credits, like times 10, times 5 of what others are charging. So let's maintain this so you can be able to generate more. I hope you understand. So I can be able to generate more and do more with it. Now look what I said. The prompt I pasted. I was working on the project. I'll show you that project also. You can see this is playing now, but there's no sound. Right? It's because we generated it with what? VEO2. So now let's now comment. It's now currently what? Video fast VEO3, right? I'm going to click on here. Click on Control V now. And I'm going to allow it to post to go now. So now with this one, it's going to have a good sound. So this is how you can access, another method you can use to access it and generate unlimited videos using VEO2, right? VEO3, right? Google VEO3. So, if Gemini have stopped you, Gemini have banned you for the day, just come here. You don't even need to go to Gemini, just come here, generate what you want to generate. Just go and use Gemini own as a bonanza. Help you understand? Good. That's method 2, right? Gemini Pro is method 1. This is method 2, right? Good. So there is another method that we are going to use. Yeah, the third method that we use it to access this same Gemini Google VEO3, right? These are people that I did strategic research, right? You can't find this generally everywhere. Those people that have access to this knowledge now, they are putting one big money on it. People that does not even have that have up to this knowledge, they are putting one big money on it to charge on it and all of that. So you don't need to we are growing beyond that. So if you understand, we are just to just help more people then for accept to access and so we can also want to grow together. Now look at the results. This is using VEO3. Look at how sharp it is. And let's see.
Now all of us in the dates. No see this guy the players like Ludo.
For this your sweet face, what you see as red flag for dating? This me now.
Now
you see that? So why I used to use two because
now all of us in the dates.
in case this one fuck up, the other one will work.
For this your sweet face, what you see as red flag for dating? This me now.
Now all of us in the
You see that? So just a continuation of the project I'm doing. I was doing earlier. I can understand that. So let's go to the next one. We are going to come to this site called let me go home to be able to access. It's called docs.google.com/videos. docs.google.com/videos, right? Take note of that. It's just like, we have Google Doc, we have Google Sheets. Now, this is Google Videos, right? So click on here and click on Start a new video. Also click on Start a new video. Then we're going to suggest some videos to you. Don't need all this one, right? Just click on blank video. I hope you understand. Click on blank video. So it's going to open like a video editor, right? So we have different scenes and all of that. There's something you just need to come and do. Click on generate video. Now, from here, you can start generating video now. Now, and the funniest part of this is using VEO3, right? Yeah, high quality of VEO3, just like in Gemini. So, you have VEO2 here, faster, VEO3, you can see higher quality generates audio. Then I placed my listing in a same prompt here. I click on create. And it's going to start creating also.
Powered by Next Gen Tech Academy. Like and subscribe.